I couldn't care less about what they think of me anymore.
Really? I thought their opinions still bothered you a lot?
They used to, but I've realized I can't keep living my life trying to please everyone.
That's a great mindset to have. So, what changed?
I just got tired of constantly worrying about people who don't really matter in my life.
That's understandable. We all reach that point eventually.
Exactly. It's exhausting trying to live up to everyone's expectations.
It really is. So, how do you plan to handle things differently now?
I'm just going to focus on myself and do what makes me happy, not what others expect from me.
That's the right approach. It's your life, after all.
Yeah, and honestly, I feel so much lighter now that I've stopped caring so much.
I'm glad to hear that. You deserve to be happy without all that extra pressure.
Thanks, Anna. Your support means a lot to me during this change.
Of course. We all need to remind ourselves sometimes that other people's opinions aren't everything.
You're right. I've wasted too much time worrying about things that just don't matter.
Well, now you can focus on the things that truly bring you joy.
Absolutely. I'm excited to finally put myself first.
That's the spirit. Let's make some plans to celebrate this new chapter for you.
I'd love that. It's time to start enjoying life on my own terms.
Here's to living life unapologetically. You've got this, Mike.
Thanks, Anna. It feels good to have someone who really gets it.
What was that? Say it louder, I couldn't hear you.
I said, I'm sorry, I messed up, okay?
You don't have to yell, I just wanted to hear you clearly.
I know, I'm just frustrated with myself.
I get that, but communication is key. You need to talk to me.
I'm trying, but it feels like everything I say comes out wrong.
Just be honest with me. I'd rather hear the messy truth than nothing at all.
The truth is, I've been feeling really overwhelmed lately, and I've been taking it out on you.
I appreciate you telling me that. We all have moments when we feel overwhelmed.
Yeah, but it's not fair to you. You don't deserve to be treated that way.
It's okay. We can work through this, but we need to keep talking and not shut each other out.
I know, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make things right.
That's all I needed to hear. We'll figure it out together, one step at a time.
Thanks for being so understanding. I really don't want to mess this up.
Relationships aren't perfect. They take work, and we're both learning.
I promise I'll do better, and I'll make more of an effort to communicate.
That's all I ask. We've got this. We're stronger than a few bumps in the road.
Yeah, we are. Let's make tonight about us. No stress, no arguing, just us.
I'd love that. Let's just relax and enjoy each other's company.
Sounds perfect. Thanks for sticking with me.
Hey, there's a stain on your shirt. What happened?
Oh no, I didn't even notice. I think I spilled my coffee earlier.
It looks pretty fresh. Do you have any stain remover with you?
I don't, but I'll try to wash it out in the restroom. Hopefully, it won't leave a mark.
If it doesn't come out, you could always try using some soap and water for a quick fix.
Good idea. I'm so clumsy sometimes. This is the second time today.
It happens to the best of us. Last week, I spilled ketchup all over my favorite shirt.
Oh no, that sounds worse. Were you able to get the stain out?
Barely. I had to wash it twice and use some special detergent, but it's still faintly there.
That's frustrating. I swear, stains have a way of finding me, especially on busy days.
Yeah, they seem to happen when you're in a rush. Maybe it's the universe's way of telling us to slow down.
You're probably right. I should really be more careful, especially when I'm multitasking.
Don't be too hard on yourself. It's just a shirt, and stains are pretty easy to fix.
True, but I always feel embarrassed when it happens in public.
Trust me, no one's paying that much attention. People are usually too wrapped up in their own stuff.
That's a comforting thought. I'll just have to laugh it off and keep going.
Exactly, just a little hiccup in the day. Plus, it makes for a funny story later.
Thanks. I needed that reminder. I'll go clean up and be right back.
No problem, take your time. And hey, if the stain doesn't come out, it's a great excuse to go shopping.
Now that's a bright side I can get behind. Be right back.
The traffic won't clear up anytime soon. I've been stuck here for almost an hour.
That sounds frustrating. Are you sure there's no other route you can take?
I've checked the maps a dozen times, but all the roads are jammed. It's a total nightmare.
I hate when that happens. Did you at least bring something to keep you occupied?
Yeah, I've been listening to a podcast, but it's hard to focus with all the honking.
I get it. Traffic noises can be so distracting, especially when you're already stressed.
Exactly. I just hope I make it home before dinner. I promised to cook tonight.
Oh no, is there anyone else at home who can start cooking for you?
Not really. My roommate's working late too, so it's all on me tonight.
Maybe you could order takeout instead. No one will blame you with this crazy traffic.
That's a good idea, but I really wanted to try this new recipe. It's been on my mind all week.
I completely understand, but sometimes it's okay to give yourself a break.
You're right. I guess I'm just disappointed that my plans are falling apart.
Plans don't always go the way we want, but you're doing your best. That's what matters.
Thanks. I needed that reminder. I'm just feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Anytime. Just take a deep breath and do what you can. You'll get home eventually.
I'll try. Hopefully, the traffic eases up soon so I can get out of here.
I'm sure it will. And hey, once you're home, just relax and take it easy.
That sounds like a plan. I think I've earned a little break tonight.
Definitely. Let me know when you get home safely, okay?
Will do. Thanks for being there and keeping me company during this mess.
No problem. Hang in there, and drive safe when you finally get moving.
Please subscribe and see you soon.